Hi guys, si Mr. X here. So, doon sa last YouTube video ko about yung 5 stages ng Forex trader, may mga requests ako na nagtatanong kung pwede akong gumawa ng mas malalim na video about each of the 5 steps. So, sige, naisip ko, why not? Gawa tayo ng series dito. So, yung gagawin ko sa series na to is i-breakdown ko kung ano yung lessons that you'll learn per phase or per stage ng trader, and then kung ano usually yung mga exercises na usually pinapagawa ko sa mga estudyante. Okay? So, let's start with the phase 1. So, yung sa phase 1, like yung sinabi ko sa video, yan yung beginner phase. Talagang pagpasok mo ng Forex, wala ka talagang alam. So, the first thing that you need to learn is discipline and habits. So, ano usually yung pinapagawa ko sa mga students ko when they first enter phase 1? Usually, I would get them to spot trends. So, ano nga ba yung trend? The trend is yung mukhang wave, yung parang series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And then yung pang downtrend naman, kasi uptrend din kanina, di ba? Downtrend is series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then lower highs again. What I would tell my students is, yun yung titignan mo lang, yan yung lang yung hanapin mo sa chart, you don't think of anything else except yung trend, yan lang. And then dun ka lang papasok. So, coach, hindi ba sobrang limiting yan kapag puro yan lang yung ipapasok ko? Yan yung whole point. We want to limit what you do so that magkaroon ka ng discipline. Because usually, no, ang ginagawa ng newbie is when they enter Forex, they take as much knowledge as possible. Tapos kung ano-anong ginagawa nila na lang. So parang they'll take chart patterns, indicators, lahat-lahat. Tapos ang daming tools. Tapos combine nila without even knowing yung basics. So, the first thing that we want students to learn first is not to get as many tools or get as much knowledge as possible, but to first concentrate on the basics, which is basically spotting and entering into a trend. So, yun lang. By doing this, bali repetitions lang to eh. So, isipin mo lang kung nagbaboxing ka, ano ba yung first na tinuturuan? 'Di ba yung jab? Yung jab, pati yung cross, 'di ba? So, usually, pag beginner ka, you will just keep on doing that move until na perfect mo. So, ganun din. Kapag phase 1, puro reps lang yung gagawin mo, yung move lang na yan. And then, once na perfect mo, pag na-develop mo na yung muscle memory mo dyan, parang magiging sanay ka na magbasa ng chart. So, not only teaches you the muscle memory, but also make sure na meron kang discipline na i-follow lang na ito. Kasi you will be needing that later on kapag pumunta ka sa next phase. That's for phase 1. So, ano nga ba yung next na tinuturuan sa phase 2? Kasi doon sa last video, no, napag-usapan na yung phase 2 is more about judgment and execution. So, ano na yung next na ituturo sa phase 2? In phase 2 naman, we will teach extra chart patterns. So, ano ba yung mga extra chart patterns? Yan yung mga reversal chart patterns, double top, reverse head and shoulders, mga triangle patterns. So, bakit hindi natin tinuturuan yan sa phase 1? It's because ayaw din namin ma-overwhelm yung student. So, we only include that arsenal kapag naka-muscle memory na kayo. Kasi that muscle memory and yung discipline na yan will be used kapag magsaspot ka ng other kinds of patterns. So, bali yung mangyayari dyan, phase 1, isang pattern lang. Phase 2, magdadagdag pa tayo ng patterns. And then, pag nagdadagdag tayo ng patterns, parang we're trying to teach yung student yung way para i-combine yung certain patterns para magkaroon ng diskarte. So, basically, sa phase 2, ang tinuturuan namin ay paano mag-critical thinking, kung paano magbasa ng market or kung paano interpret yung market using these patterns. Once na tutunan na nila yun, then pupunta tayo dyan sa phase 3. So aside from chart patterns, ano ba yung tinuturuan pa namin? We also teach yung other functions ng MetaTrader 5 like the limit orders and the stop orders. Paano mo siya i-apply along with the chart patterns and yung first trend pattern na in-introduce natin sa phase 1. So, kapag kino-combine mo lahat ng mga techniques, you will have an idea kung ano yung bagay sa'yo. Okay? Pag sinabi natin kasi bagay sa'yo, hindi mo naman magagamit lahat ng mga patterns and yung mga ibang techniques na tinuturuan namin. Kasi there are so many. Meron ng chart patterns, meron ng kunyari support and resistance, there will be limit orders, stop orders, lahat yan. When you journal your trades, which nire-require namin na mag-journal kayo when you enter our program, yung mangyayari kasi dyan ay the data will show you kung anong klaseng setups yung bagay sa iyo. Kasi baka hindi naman lahat bagay sa pagsaspot ng head and shoulders, for example. Baka yung iba mas bagay sa trend lang. Baka yung iba mas bagay sa reversals. Baka yung mga iba mas bagay sa breakout lang. Baka yung iba mas bagay sa breakout and retrace lang. So, along the way, while we are introducing new techniques to you, yung mangyayari dyan ay habang nagjo-journal kayo, makikita nyo kung ano yung bagay sa inyo. That's already a step closer to creating your own strategy. So that's for phase 1 and phase 2. So abangan nyo yung next video ko wherein I'll be talking about the higher phases 3 and 4 in depth, and paano makapunta sa phase 5. So guys, quick disclaimer lang, meron actually kaming poser who uses the same name as our YouTube channel. So para hindi kayo maloko dyan, ito yung official link. I'll see you sa next video.